What's up everybody, this is Scott with 512 Garage and I'm back with another video. Today is the day, it's the Wednesday before Carlisle. That's right, we've got the Grand Sport all packed up over here, ready to head up in about a half an hour and head to our booth space to start setting up. So I hope to see all of you there. Booth space A85 to A90 right outside of the food court. So, you know, grab yourself a hot dog or a hamburger and stop by and say hello. This is going to be a fun trip. You're not going to want to miss this. Stay tuned. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know I posted a story recently of me trying to fit all of this stuff in the back of the C7, and it was a little bit of a challenge, right? But I put a poll out there and most of you guessed correctly that we could get all of this stuff in the C7. Come on, it is a very practical sports car. If you don't follow me on Instagram, right now would be a good time because I'm gonna be doing some story updates from Carlisle all week long. So you're not gonna wanna miss those. Now, the C5 is also making its way up to Carlisle tomorrow. So we're gonna have the C5, the C7, and Greg's C6 is going to be there as well with his C6. We've got a bunch of other people in and out of the booth all week. We've got JT Cars guys, we got D. Anthony from D's Rides. Horsepower Obsessed is gonna be in the booth, and he's also gonna be over at the AWE booth with his C8 and his C7 ZR1. So if you wanna hear what those AWE exhaust systems sound like on those two cars, well, you can stop over the AWE booth. Now, a huge shout out to my boys at AWE. They offered to bring my big tent up so that I wouldn't have to make a couple trips today, drop the tent off, come back down, get the car, yada yada. So another huge shout out to AWE. Thank you guys. Now, we've got the back of this thing packed, as you can see. We also have the front seat packed too. But guys, that's everything. We got everything in the C7. So again, we're gonna be doing some live streams this week on YouTube here. We're also gonna do some Instagram story updates, lots of pictures, lots of stuff. So if you guys can't make it to Carlisle this year, I wanna try to make you feel like you were there. So I'm gonna be doing some videos at other vendor booths and sort of give you a taste of what's going on. Now, if there's anything you wanna see specifically, leave the comments down in this video. I'm gonna try real hard to get up there, get set, head to the Airbnb, edit this video and get it live sometime tonight so that if you guys can see it later on or early tomorrow morning, and you can drop me some comments and let me know what you want to see. All right, that's it guys. I'm gonna jump inside the C7 and start my road trip west. All right, you guys, I'm getting ready to roll out to Carlisle. We're gonna have hats and shirts for sale at the booth, but you don't have to just get them at the booth. We have them up for sale on the site, 512garage.com, along with a ton of other aftermarket parts and accessories for modern Corvettes. I'm also going to be selling these side window vinyl decals. So if you want to rock the F on your C7, then pick one up. All right, I'm going to get out of here. Cold start. Let's get to Carlisle. See you there. All right, you guys, we're about 40 minutes outside of Carlisle. It's been a pretty easy trip down the freeway so far. And we got a C6 in front of us. Check that out, you guys. C6 from Jersey. It's a wide body. Nice car. We've been sort of informally caravanning to Carlisle here all the way down the freeway. So I'm sure that's where he's going. And we'll be there soon. I'll check back in with you guys when I get to the gate. All right, you guys, well, clearly we're not at the gate yet, but I wanted to say I am gonna try really hard to get this video out tonight, Wednesday night, so that you guys can comment and let me know if there's anything specific you want me to try to cover in a video this week while I'm at Carlisle. I know some of you guys can't make it here, and that's a huge bummer, but if there's anything that you want to see that I can get on video here, get it out on YouTube so you guys can check it out. Let me know down in the comments. Also, I shut my radio off obviously because I don't want this video to get demonetized for copyright violations, but it made me think, what is like sort of your favorite song or songs to go on a cruise in your Corvette? Leave that down in the comments below. I'm interested to hear what type of music you guys like to listen to when you're out cruising in your Vette. All right, 20 minutes to the gate. We'll see you then. All right, you guys, just got to the gate. Just headed over to will call, got my sticker. So now I'm official and we can go in. All right, you guys, so this is what Carlisle looks like on setup day. So if you've been here before, you know, typically this place is like packed with Corvettes, right? But it's pretty light right now. There's a couple Corvette groups over here. I got here earlier, obviously, and they're hanging out, which is very, very cool. So we're gonna head over to our spot, check it out, and then we're gonna go head to the AWE booth, make sure my tent made it here. All right, you guys, I just skipped way ahead in the course of events here. I went over to the AWE booth, grabbed the frame to my tent so that I could at least get this spot marked out. Now we have, like I said, these 6 spots here in front of the food court. So it's a pretty good, convenient location because everybody's got to eat, right? All right, guys, we got some C8s over here. Now, for the most part, this is, you know, not much going on here. A lot of empty tents, a lot of empty booth spaces, people setting up, kind of boring. But I'm kind of like one of those guys that likes sort of the backstage, behind the scenes type of videos. So maybe you like that too. So let's get out here and see if there's anything else we can see before we head back. This is like one of the main rows here, vendor rows, and you can see down here further there's not really much going on there, but the show doesn't start till 10 tomorrow, so we've got some time. I think people are gonna get here a little early, get their stuff set up, but then the following 3 days starts at 7 a.m. so it's gonna be early. It's gonna be real early, but that's all right. It's gonna be fun. All right, we got the guys from AWE behind me setting up, or actually finishing up their booth. And again, it's, I mean, there's not much going on the day before the show. So this is my first time actually being at the show this early. So I can't really tell you if it's like, you know, this is normal or this is just sort of the pandemic version of the show, right? And so it's a little less active, but I don't know, we'll see what tomorrow brings. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna head on out to the Airbnb and I'm just gonna start editing this video and get it up there for you guys. And remember, if there's anything that you wanna see me cover at this year's Carlisle event, drop it down in the comments and I'll make sure I stop by and put it in a video. All right, guys, I'm gonna jump in the C7 and head to the Airbnb. All right, you guys, I just got to the house and I'm about to edit this video that you're watching right now so that I can get it up on YouTube and you can watch it right now. And leave me comments and let me know if there's anything you wanna see at Carlisle that I can film for you. And stay tuned because I think Justin, Horsepower Obsessed, and I are gonna be doing some live streams either from Carlisle or from back at the house one of these evenings. Also, if you don't already follow me on Instagram, head over there and follow me because I am posting stories all day long this week at Carlisle, so you guys can instantly see what I'm seeing and what's going on. So again, if you're coming up to Carlisle, stop by the booth, A85 through A90, right outside of the food court, and leave me some comments. Let me know if there's anything you guys want me to see. And if you're new to the 512 Garage channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an episode. Tons of great Corvette content. Smash that like button and leave me some comments. You guys know I love interacting with people who love cars and Corvettes just as much as I do. Till next time, see ya.